All right, here we are. We had a wonderful 3-day stay at this beachfront campground, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your travel trailer. You ready? Let's get started. To remove any X chocks if you have them, not the wheel chocks. You want to keep those wheel chocks in, very important, so your trailer doesn't move or roll. If you're looking for a pair of X chocks, there's a link in the description below to the set that we use. Highly recommend it. Keeps the wiggle out of the camper. Okay, now the next step is you want to get the truck attached to the hitch. So it helps if you have someone to help you here. If not, I do it by myself all the time. Not that difficult. But what we're going to do is we're going to raise the hitch so that the ball can fit under it. Straight back, a little bit. Okay, that should be good, hold on. Okay, you're good. All right, now my next step is gonna be to put my sway bars on. Now, there are different types of setups. I have the Blue Ox, which I've always used. First thing is you want to raise your truck by using the hitch to get it to a high tension point. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna bring up my hitch. As you can see, the truck is coming up. The hitch is attached and it's actually raising the truck and the trailer. So now that I have a high tension point, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my Blue Ox sway bars on. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking the sway bar and I'm putting it in the receptacle right here. Okay, then once you have that done, you want to take the chain and put it around here. Now I count out 6 links. So you put it around here and you tighten it up. And I count out 6 links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks good. And then you take this tool. Now you can lower the hitch completely off the blocks. The sway bars will have a lot of tension in them as the camper comes down. Remember, your chocks are still in here. Now I'm going to double cross my chains. I'm going to put my emergency brake on. And I'm going to plug the trailer in to the 7-pin. And that is how you hook up your trailer. If you're looking for more RV tips, check out this video I created right here, and we hope to see you on the road.